Hello everyone, this is Sylvester here, and today we're gonna be seeing merge sort in C. So merge sort is a very efficient sorting mechanism or algorithm, you can call it otherwise, with near optimal number comparison. So it works on recursive algorithm, that is works under the category of divide and conquer technique. An array of n elements is split around its center producing two smaller arrays. After these two arrays are sorted independently, they can be merged to produce the final sorted array. The process of splitting and merging can be carried recursively till there is only one element in the array. An array with one element is always sorted. So now we are going to be seeing the actual code for this program. So what we are going to do is first divide the list into smallest units and then compare each element with the adjacent list, sort and merge the two adjacent lists. Finally, all the elements are sorted and merged. So we'll be needing a compiler or IDE or any kind of software that you need to write in the code. So basically I use Notepad++ for this. So I just open it up. So now we are going to be typing the program that is needed for merge sort. First we'll include the header files, then now we're going to be doing the function declaration for that. So the first declaration is for sorting the elements and next is for merging the elements. So let's do it. So let us declare a variable a, or sorry, array named a, size 30, and another variable n and I. Okay, and let us get the maximum limit for the number of elements, which will be number of elements. So what we are doing here is basically we are getting the functions. So what we are doing here is basically asking the user to enter the maximum limit for the array elements. We are reading it here. So we are using scanf statement, percentage, format specifier for each. And in this you're asking the user to enter the elements present in that limit. So while getting these elements, you'll need to use the for loop or any loop you wish to do. So I let's do that. So now I'm using the reading statement scanf to get the elements. So the sort array is printed here, and for this also we'll be using the for loop. In looping statements you can use any loop here, it's your wish. So I'm going for loop. Declaring mid, and we are gonna be using a control statement here. So we are going with if I less than j. So mid equals I plus j, and we are gonna be using the left recursion for this. So merge sort a I mid, and now we are right recursing it. So a mid plus one. Now the next thing we're gonna do, we are gonna merge it of like we are merging two subsorted arrays. Merge a comma I mid plus one. Okay. Gonna do the merging function over here. So merge function goes over here. And declaring array variable I1, ij1, I2, j2. So we are declaring a temporary variable, or I should say the array of size 50 temp is used for merging. Actual merging takes place, so that is. Then we are declaring three variables int like k. So after declaring the three variables, we are gonna assign I is equal to I1 and j is equal to j2, and assign k is equal to 0. So when I is equal to I1, the beginning of the first list is taken, and then j is equal to j2, the beginning of the second list is taken. For performing loop with both the lists, we will be using while loop. So I less than equal to j1 and j less than equal to. So you're using a control statement if here, if a of I is less than a of j, temp k increment and a of I increment, else temp k increment or j increment. So if it satisfies the condition, k is incremented and then I is incremented, or else k is incremented and j variable is incremented. So we'll close the loop and we'll be using another loop for copying the remaining elements of the first list. So I is less than equal to j1 term increment k plus equals k now. So another will line will element, sorry, will loop is less than okay increment equals a j variables incremented. So the final part will be using another loop, but this time it's for loop for I is equal to 1, I1 and j is equal to 0 and I is less than equal to j2 and I plus plus j. So basically why we are doing this is that it is used for transfer elements from temp back to the elemental array A. So next thing we'll be doing is assign a I equals temp check. So we have come to the end of the program and we'll look the overview of this. So first we are declaring the merge sorting function and merging function. First you sort it and then you'll merge it. So we are declaring the function and we are reading the elements. Basically another declaration takes place and you're reading the limit, reading the actual number of elements, getting through it a for loop, then sorting function. Then you'll print the sorted array. For sorting function you're defining it, then you'll initialize a mid variable, and another condition, if condition is used for like I is less than j, mid equals I plus j divided by 2, so the pointer comes to the center and the sorting mechanism takes place for is a comma I mid and a comma mid plus 1 comma j, and you are merging it. Now for actual merge to take place, you're defining the another declaration that you already did print previously. So now you need to declare a temporary array of size 50 and other three variables ijk, and you're assigning I1 is equal to you're assigning I1 is equal to, basically using many assignment operator you'll be assigning from right to left. So j2 is equal to j, 0 is equal to k, and we are using a while loop for I less than is equal to j1. This loop is used for import lists, and if a is a of I less than aj, k plus plus increment, first you'll be incrementing the I variable, then j, or else if this is not satisfied, j will be incremented. And you need to copy the remaining elements of the first list, you are using this loop, and to copy the remaining second list you are using this loop, and the final loop is to transfer elements from temporary array to the actual array A. So you need to remember these. First is used for left recursion, then this is for use for right recursion, this is used for merging two arrays, that is subarrays, two sorted subarrays actually. I just explained basically the outline of the program, and now Vijay will explain it through algorithm method. He will just explain the algorithm, how this works, like a branching tree it works actually. So I'll be explaining it by writing it, actually manually writing it down. So my part is over. Thanks for watching guys.